Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, the Ben Knee Forever. This is the first time here on Growing Guitar, I'm pretty sure of that. And we have this famous 4-chord C, G, A minor, and F. A very easy and very common chord progression there. And yeah, we'll get that if you use a capo set on the 2nd fret. So capo on 2nd, very easy song to handle here. So let's do this together. Let's take a look at the chords. So like I said, they're very common, so a great song to learn and practice, to really practice chords. So the first one will be the C here, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. A minor next, so open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And we will end with the bar chord, the F here. So you place a bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, so like I said, very famous and common chords here. We're gonna learn them, and it goes from the beginning till the very end in that order we just learned the chord: C, G, A minor, and F. We're gonna do 2 strumming rounds per chord, and the strumming goes down, up, clap, down. So grab the C there, that's the 1st chord. 1 strumming sounds. Alright, so down, and then a short pause, and then comes up, clap, down. Alright, so a couple rounds. And so on. So, like I said, 2 strumming rounds per chord, and it goes. Alright guys, so practice this and you will be a lot better guitar player if you didn't knew this before. This will amp up your guitar play, and you will be able to play many more songs than you could before. So the Ben Knee Forever. Thank you for watching guys, and if you want to support me here, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Till next time, play tuned.